Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Tramontina Churrasco 12-piece knife and fork set. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Tramontina Churrasco 12-piece knife and fork set. And taking a look around the box packaging. And we can see that the box is recyclable and the flatware set is dishwasher safe. And taking a look at the bottom or back of the box packaging, there's some product information about the Tramontina Churrasco 12-piece knife and fork set in various languages, and the care and use instructions as well. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid and checking on the underside to make sure nothing is attached, and just setting the box lid to the side and giving you a look at this 12-piece flatware set. Just giving you a full and clear look at this Tramontina Churrasco 12-piece knife and fork set before I start handling it. And now I'm just going to take the 12-piece set, starting with the forks, and just setting them down on the tabletop and removing the knives as well. And let's arrange the knives, and of course take a close-up look at a pair of them. So just setting the forks right down, and of course taking a close-up look at the fork and knife. So as we can see, they do have a wooden handle, so made out of natural wood, and of course the blade is made out of stainless steel, so is the fork. So giving you a close-up look. And the blade of the knife is 5 inches in length. Just giving you some close-up looks at this knife and fork set. And of course let's take a look at the set all together. And of course being very careful handling the knives and keeping one's fingers away from the cutting edge. And of course giving you a look at the forks as well. So right there, knives and forks together, and the handles made out of natural wood, and they are aluminium riveted onto the blades or metal parts of the cutlery set. I'm just giving you a close-up look at the details, and of course the overall design and construction of this Tramontina Churrasco 12-piece knife and fork set. So giving you those close-up details, and of course right there with the blade of the knife or knives So you can see they do have a very, very shiny, highly polished finish. And of course the forks as well, so giving you a look at the details of the forks in a cluster. Of course, I'll give you a close-up look individually in just a moment, but nonetheless, just giving you an overall feel and look to the entire set and just the overall construction of all of them together, so you have like a good idea and sense of the overall construction and consistency in terms of the overall finish and quality of these pieces of flatware. So right there. Okay, so setting the forks back down, and we'll take a close-up look at the forks first, and then followed by the knives. Of course, just a single piece will do for each, given that we've just taken a look at the bunch of the 12-piece set together. Okay, so just arranging the set so that they don't interfere with the foreground. So right there, the knives with their 5-inch blades. And of course now we do have the forks, setting them or sliding them to the side or top. So right there you can see the complete set of 12, so 6 pairs of knives and forks. And okay, let's just take one pair. Let's start off with the fork first. So taking a look up close at one of the forks of the set. So giving you some close-up looks right there, so you can see nice polished finish, and it has 4 tines on the fork, and taking a look at the back or underside and up close as well. So once again, this set is dishwasher safe, giving you a look at the overall shape and construction of this fork. So natural wooden handle with aluminium rivets to hold the handle onto the fork itself, or the metal part of the fork. And right there, giving you a look as to the size once we can achieve focus with the camcorder right there. So giving you an overall look as to the design and shape of the fork from the set. So setting the fork back down, finding a spot to replace it back down, and let's pick up a knife now. So this is the knife from the set, the Tramontina Churrasco 12-piece knife and fork set. So it does have a 5-inch blade, and once again it is dishwasher safe. So giving you a look at the blade, and hopefully we can achieve focus on the knife itself with its blade. So right there you can see that it does have a serrated edge and some close-up details, and the handle as well. Same natural wood handle with aluminium rivets to keep the handle attached to the knife blade, and giving you a look at the various aspects of the knife. So right there, and of course with the grip as well. So very light in weight, and of course giving you a look at the flexibility of the blade right there. So it does have a mostly firm or semi-rigid blade, as you can see, flexing just very slightly, and once again giving you those close-up details. Okay, so that's the knife, and of course giving you a look at the stiffness of the fork as well. It's right there. Nice and sturdy in construction, and with the pair together, giving you a look right there as to the overall comfort and grip of the Tramontina Churrasco knife and fork set. So that's the Tramontina Churrasco 12-piece knife and fork set. Thanks for watching and happy dining!